Hey guys, we are out here at North Houston. We're getting ready to go do some night flying. Out at Moody Gardens there's a Christmas light display, a pretty big one out in Galveston. And so I'm gonna take my family out there to see the lights, but we're gonna fly. And I've heard if you come in at night that it's a pretty good sight. So we're gonna go check it out. But first, I haven't done any night flying since I got my license back in June. So we gotta go get current on my takeoffs and landings at night. So most of you know that you have to do 3 takeoffs and landings at night by yourself in the preceding 90 days to be current. So that's what we're gonna go do. All right. Check 1, 2. We're going to see how much of this gets recorded. My first time recording with audio. And hopefully, you know, I capture a couple of different objectives or perspectives. And we will see if it works. Go ahead and do our run up here. Up to 1900 RPM. We're good on suction, feels good, oil temp's coming up, pressure's good, fuel pressure's good, cylinder temp's coming up, and we are neither charging nor discharging. That's great. Go ahead and do left magneto. Drop, back up, right magneto, the drop, both, or repeat, the drop, other prop, there again, and we're good there. Everything's still the green, suction good. Okay. Our runway lights. Close our windows, doors are matched. North Houston traffic, Bonanza 5041 Charlie's departing runway 17 for the northwest, North Houston. All right guys, here we go. Go, rotation. A little smoky, somebody's smoking something around here. Deposit rate, phone gear up. And landing light off. We're off, guys. Here we go. And we are immediately going to Get the weather over at Conroe. 325.
North Houston Regional Airport, ATC information, Whiskey, 2353 Zulu weather, wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 16, dew point 08, altimeter 2964. ILS runway 14 approach in use, landing and departing runway 14. Notice the airman taxiway Bravo is closed between runway 14 and runway 19er. Runway 19er is closed to landing traffic. Runway 1 is closed to landing and departing traffic. Caution for an unlit crane 1.4 nautical miles south of the airport, 430 feet MSL. Advise that you have information, Whiskey.
Whiskey. Conroe Tower, Bonanza 5041 Charlie's 10 miles to the southeast with information, Whiskey.
Bonanza 41 Charlie, squawk 5373 in your landing, Conroe.
5373, that's correct. I would like to do some stop and goes for night currency.
Okay, well, got some company for you, so that'll be just fine. Plan 14, the wind calm, altimeter 2965.
2965 for 41 Charlie.
41 Charlie, go ahead and make a left turn and enter right traffic for runway 14. And I'll have a sequence here for you momentarily.
Left turn, right hand traffic for runway 14, 41 Charlie. There's Conroe. There's the runway, we're landing runway 14.
Cherokee 15 Bravo Charlie, runway 14 cleared for the option.
Runway 14 cleared for the option, 15 Bravo Charlie.
Bonanza 41 Charlie, you'll be following a Cherokee on the opposite downwind.
Following a Cherokee, keeping an eye out for the traffic, 41 Charlie.
Okay, just fly the normal pattern. I'll point them out as you get here ready to turn base. 5 Bravo Charlie, just continue your downwind. You're going to be number 2 now. 41 Charlie, runway 14 cleared for the option.
41 Charlie cleared for the option.
The option, 15 Bravo Charlie.
No, that was for another aircraft. 15 Bravo Charlie, continue the downwind. I'll advise on the base. 41 Charlie, runway 14 cleared for the option.
Continuing downwind. 15 Bravo Charlie.
41 Charlie, I'd appreciate it if you keep the base at as close as practical.
Alright, I'll start turning here in just a second, 41 Charlie.
Very good.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and go gear down, guys. We're going to go ahead and do flaps down also.
299 Romeo Kilo, you say you're IFR? Stand by.
This is a really, really long runway here, guys, so we don't have to worry about it that much. We're going to go ahead and go landing light on.
299 Romeo Kilo, I don't have anything on you. How long ago did you file, sir? And what time did you file off for? Okay, don't have anything yet. I'll let you know as soon as I get it. Where about you park, sir? Okay, fine. I'll purge the system here, see what I can find. 15 Bravo Charlie, you can go ahead and start your base now.
Starting base, 15 Bravo Charlie.
Whoa. Charlie's going to be a go-around.
Charlie, roger. You can enter left traffic.
Left traffic, 504 Charlie.
15 Bravo Charlie, runway 14 cleared for the option. And citation 299 Roman Kilo, here's a clearance going to, well, I've got two of them. One, that's a round robin here to Conroe, and the other one's going to Midland. Okay, here we go. 299 Romeo Kilo cleared to Midland via the Bourne 3 departure Krager direct. Maintain 2000. Expect flight level 300 10 minutes after departure. Departure control frequency 119.7 and squawk 7337. That's correct for 9 Romeo Kilo. Let me know when you're ready to taxi. And Bonanza 41 Charlie, you're following a Cherokee that's short final out there, and I won't jam you so tight this time. Sorry about that. Just let me know when you turn your base.
We'll keep you informed on base, 41 Charlie. Alright, got eyes on that Cherokee out there. Getting a little fast. A little high.
Bonanza 41 Charlie, runway 14 cleared for the option, sir.
Runway 14 cleared for the option. 41 Charlie. Gear coming down. Trim coming up. .504 in Charlie's base.
Thank you very much, sir.
Flaps coming down. Trim coming in again. Man. Really feel it. Get the gear open. Heat just starts coming in through the gear doors. Alright, we'll go landing light on. Do the left one this time. We're turning final. Gear down, gas. Undercarriage is down, down. Mixture is full. Rich prop is full forward. We are looking good, guys. A little fast. A little high. Alright, we're good right here. Got power, level off. Flare, flare, flare. Oops. Okay. We're going to stop.
And 299 Romeo Kilo, you all set to go, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, right up 2, hold short of the runway, get you going here momentarily.
Full short, 14, Kilo.
We're going to stop and trim coming in. Full four. That is a stop and go, guys. One down. 2 to go. Here coming up. Light going off.
Station 299 Romeo Kilo, after departure, turn right heading 250, runway 14, clear for takeoff. That traffic just departs Bonanza, and he's staying in the pattern left side.
Inside, right heading 250, clear for takeoff 14, 9 Kilo.
Starting our left turn. As he picks us up now, you're just too high. Go. Looking good, everybody. Yeah. Gear is down, okay. Power. Go ahead and get ourselves on the center line. Come to a stop. Flaps coming up. Trim. Back out. We are stopped. We are moving. Number 2, done.
Cherokee 15 Bravo Charlie, runway 14, cleared for the option.
Runway 14, clear for the option, 15 Bravo Charlie.
We have positive rate, gear coming up. Let's go, guys. Woo! Little high, fast. Little slow too. Go light. Nice, huh? Right? Gear down. Greased. Up. Or, no, not gear. Flaps, dummy. Just stop. Alright. We go. We're out of here, guys. That was our last one over here at Conroe. Let's go back home. How's the rate gear coming up? Oil, fill the light.
And forward Charlie, you sure you got enough?
Yep, I'm sure I got enough. Thanks for your help.
Okay, sorry about that first one. You proceed on course southeastbound.
No problem, all good practice. You have a good night.
You too, take care. 4-1 Charlie, you can squawk VFR.
Squawk VFR for 4-1 Charlie.
Five Bravo Charlie's cleared for the option, runway 14.
Clear for the option, runway 14 at 15 Bravo Charlie.
Alright. Alright, flaps coming down. Turning. North Houston traffic, Bonanza 5041 Charlie's base, runway 35 North Houston. Go ahead and turn fine. North Houston traffic, Bonanza 5041 Charlie's final, runway 35 North Houston. There's trees and stuff here, so we like to stay a little high. Down a little quick here. Okay. Oh, hard. That's okay. But you burning something around here. Coming in like this where it's pitch black reminds me of leaving my grandpa's house out in Fallbrook, California. Pitch black out there. My parents would make us get out to turn off or to open the gate. But nuh-uh, coyotes out there. We always had to do it. Never got attacked though, which is good. Well, we're gonna get the plane put away, but all in all, not a bad way to spend a Saturday night, I would say. And I'll be sure, I'm gonna take some video going down there to Galveston to show everybody what it's all about. All right, well, we'll see you next time.